Meaning of downlighter.
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 Downlighter. A downlighter is a type of light fixture that is designed to direct light downwards. It is typically installed in ceilings and provides a focused beam of light that can be used for task lighting, accent lighting, or general illumination. Downlighters are often used in commercial and residential settings, such as offices, retail stores, and homes. They are popular because they create a clean, modern look and can help to highlight specific areas or features within a space. The result is a well-lit, visually appealing environment that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing.